Okay, so on this question, I didn't work restaurant B, I just worked restaurant A, and we know the ratings and the number of customers, so I've already put that into the table. Here's the ratings, here's the number of customers, so then we have to find the probability. So you total your number of customers up and divide each one of these numbers by 8. So here we divided 6 divided by 80, and we got 0.075. And then the second one, we divided 10 by 80, and we got 0.125. And then we divided 9 divided by 80, and we got 0.113. Then we divided 31 divided by 80, and we got 0.388, and 24 divided by 80 and got 0.300. In the example, they rounded to the third decimal place, I believe. Let me see if any of these, it looks like, yeah, they're all rounded to the third decimal place. So now we're going to do xi times pxi. So you're going to do this column times this column. The customer rating is xi. So we're going to do 1 times 0.075, and we get 0.075. Then the next xi is 2 times pxi, 0.125. We get 0.250. The next one is 3 times 0.113, and so forth. So you're going to do all of these xi times pxi. Then you're going to add those up, and you're going to get 3.713. Then once you get your mean, you're going to take each xi value, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and you're going to subtract each one of these minus 3.713. So 1 minus 3.713 would be negative 2.67. The next one is 2 minus 3.713. And it looks like I did not change those. Let me fix that really quickly. So I fixed that formula. You're going to do 1 minus 3.713, and then 2 minus 3.713, and then 3 minus 3.713, 4 minus 3.713, and then 5 minus 3.713. Then that is xi minus mean, and now you're going to square each one of these numbers that you just calculated. So we're going to square these numbers, and then you're not going to round any of those. Once you square them, then you're going to take that number, and to get xi mean squared, which is what we just got, multiply that by pxi. So the first one is xi minus mean squared, this number times pxi, which is the probability. And then the next one you're going to do xi minus mean squared times pxi. Then the next one would be xi minus mean squared times pxi. And you do that for each one. And then when you get done, you're going to sum those numbers up, and that's going to give you the variance. So you're going to sum these numbers, and then you're going to take the square root of that, and then this is going to actually be a larger number. It wants us to round to the third decimal place, and that is how we got 1.227.